This lesson is about direct access. The icon on the WorldDocs toolbar for direct access is right here. It's just next to the favorite files icon. And I'm going to take you back a few steps so that you understand what's happening and how the direct access tool is working. First off, when you save a document to WorldDocs, and in my case when I define the client and the project, what WorldDocs is doing is it's building a physical folder structure in the background, a folder for the client of Stern and the project of Miscellaneous. So what I'm going to do now is show you Windows Explorer and show you what happens. This is an example where my client is Ackerman and my project was either CV for Customer Vision, Miscellaneous, or World. So this is physically being created in the background, and then the actual documents are being stored inside these folders. And there you see I have two email messages being stored inside that folder. So direct access then in WorldDocs forces me to define the specific client and project folder, because this search is not relying on the index or database to find the files. It's taking me right to that physical folder on the network, and it's going to show me the entire contents. So I'm going to start by searching for Stern and the project of WorldDocs. And there we go. It takes me right to that physical folder on the network. You can see that in the location bar. And I see emails and Word documents that have been stored inside of that folder. Now for this next search, I'm going to take you to a folder that has just a multitude of files and different file types. Client is World, project is WorldDocs. Okay, takes me right to the WorldDocs folder, client of World, and there you see I have email messages, Word documents, Adobe PDF files, all sorts of different file types here. So when you get to a folder that has all sorts of files, and if we look in the lower right hand corner we see there are 80 files in here, it's good to know some of the other filtering tools within WorldDocs. First off, you can group all the email messages, or I'm sorry, all the files together by just clicking on the column header. Now all my Word documents are together, all of my email messages are together. The other thing you may want to do is filter certain file types out of view, and that's where your filter bar comes in handy. Click on this if I'd like to see just the email messages, or if I'd like to see only the PDF files. Everything else is hidden from view. Finally, we have the new Cloud tab at the bottom of the screen. If I click on Cloud, I can tell the system, show me only the Word documents or the Word 2007 docx files. Everything else gets hidden from view. That's direct access. Once again, it is not using the indexer, so if you were ever to find out the indexer was down for some reason, you can always find your documents in WorldDocs using direct access.